Sawadee Krap, I'm JP Mestanza. It's Thursday, April 22nd. Welcome to Phuket Extra, brought to you by PVC Phuket. Visit them on Facebook. Starting today, anyone who wasn't vaccinated or can't prove they tested negative for COVID prior to coming to Phuket, they have to take an antigen rapid test upon entering the island if you're from one of the red zone provinces. Thais get the test for free. Foreigners have to pay 500 baht, up from the previously stated 300 baht. The price has gone up for all foreigners wishing to enter Phuket who don't fulfill these requirements and have to take the COVID test either at the airport or near the Phuket gateway upon entering the island by road. This also includes all tax-paying foreigners legally allowed to live in Thailand. No explanation was given on why the price went up. Still, today is the first day of the new intense screening measures for domestic arrivals to Phuket, and so far, reports say that about 700 people arrived on the island altogether so far. 2 have tested positive for COVID and are now receiving treatment at local hospitals. The test was set to take about 15 minutes to get results back, although early social media reports say that it's taking about 45 minutes to get results back. Again, anyone entering Phuket from any of the other 17 red zone provinces will be tested for COVID-19 unless they've been vaccinated or can prove they tested negative for the disease within 72 hours of arriving on the island. What do you think about the payment policy for the COVID-19 rapid test in Phuket? Let us know in the comments section below. Earlier this week, a doctor from Chulalongkorn University revealed that 7 people around the kingdom had suffered partial paralysis after being vaccinated with the Sinovac biotech vaccine. And now officials in Bangkok are confirming that news while also insisting that the Sinovac vaccine is safe and the country will continue to administer it. Dr. Thiravat Hemachuda, director of the Health Science Center of Emerging Diseases at Chulalongkorn University's Faculty of Medicine, he revealed on Facebook this week that 7 people had suffered stroke-like symptoms after being given the Chinese company's jab, 6 in Rayong and 1 in Chonburi, all of whom have recovered within 1 to 3 days after receiving medication to dissolve blood clots. Now, a specialist from the Disease Control Department is saying that 6 of them had pre-existing conditions and 4 of them also had taken contraceptive pills. One doctor said they had different degrees of neural symptoms, saying, quote, "Some developed stroke-like symptoms, but we still can't determine what caused them. An investigation, including MRI scans, found no abnormalities. Most of them are women who are not so old and not at any risk of a stroke." Still, Dr. Kulkanya said an investigation panel had found no irregularities in the vaccine batch, of which 300,000 people had so far been injected from this lot. Such symptoms have not occurred with recipients elsewhere, but we will keep looking for such incidents in the future. The committee has therefore resolved that the vaccine in this batch can continue to be used because the benefits outweigh the side effects, which are temporary. The public health minister says the kingdom will continue administering the Sinovac vaccine, instructing health authorities to closely monitor people's symptoms. For more, visit thephuketnews.com. The power and communication cables will finally be placed underground in parts of Phuket Town, but parking will be prohibited until next week in order for it to all get done. The project is already nearly 2 years late after it was announced by the Phuket Planning Office in May 2019, expected to be done in that year. Officials say parking will be prohibited from 9 a.m. until work is completed along the northern side of Phang Nga Road from Yawara to Montri Road tomorrow. Parking along Rasada Road will be prohibited along the northern side on Saturday and along the southern side on Sunday. The project is said to be 95% complete and cost about 166 million baht. This and next week's work will see the cables along those roads, Rasada and Phang Nga Road, removed. But the whole thing won't be done until all the communications cables underground are fully installed and switched over to a new system, sometime in June for Phang Nga Road and August for Rasada Road in Phuket Town. For more, visit thephuketnews.com. Phuket Extra, be right back after this. For the best mosquito screens available in Thailand, contact PVC Phuket on Facebook today. Welcome back to Phuket Extra. Phuket officials have set up a second field hospital at Phuket Rajabat University campus in North Phuket Town to deal with the rising number of infections each day. As of late yesterday, Phuket officials have confirmed 257 cases on the island during this current outbreak, most of whom, 250 people, are in hospitals around Phuket, while 1 is receiving treatment in Bangkok and 6 have been discharged. Currently, there are 80 cases at the First Field Hospital at the Prince of Songkhla University Phuket campus in Katu. It has a capacity for 150 people. The Second Field Hospital at Phuket Rajabat University's meeting hall has a capacity for 265 beds, although they've only set up 70 beds for now. For more, visit thephuket.news.com. People living in elevated areas of Patong and Karon will face intermittent water supply outages for the next 10 days from tomorrow, April 23, through to May 2nd, according to the Phuket Waterworks Authority. It's all due to the maintenance on the water-producing system in Karon. For more, visit thephuket.news.com. Today is officially the deadliest day in Thailand for COVID-19, as 7 people have reportedly succumbed to the infection. The death toll has now risen to 117 since the pandemic began, 23 of them in this month alone. Meanwhile, 1,470 new COVID cases were confirmed today, raising the total to 48,113 for the kingdom. 62% of total patients have recovered. Thanks for joining us today on Phuket Extra, brought to you by PVC Phuket. Check them out on Facebook. Join us again tomorrow. Until then, stay classy, Phuket.
Phuket's rapid modernization has made it one of the world's premier holiday destinations. Investors can still buy quality condominiums for as low as $75,000, and luxury properties can go all the way up to 20 million. Condominiums in Phuket are a safe, secure bricks-and-mortar investment offering foreigners freehold ownership. Call or email Thai Residential, Phuket's #1 trusted real estate advisor, to find your perfect Phuket property.